Month 1, Fundamentals of Forklift Operations, Introduction to Forklift Operations. Hello folks, welcome to the lesson on forklift operations. Forklifts are critical pieces of equipment in many industries due to their ability to lift, move, and place large loads with ease. Understanding different types of forklifts, knowing how to operate them safely, and being familiar with their components are essential skills for any operator. In this lesson, we will cover the various types of forklifts and their classifications, discuss safety procedures, and explore the basic components and controls of a forklift. This foundational knowledge will help ensure safe and efficient forklift operations. Overview of forklift types and classifications. Forklifts come in several types, each designed for specific uses. It's crucial to select the right type of forklift for the task at hand to maximize efficiency and safety. Here are the primary types: electric motor rider trucks. These are powered by electric batteries and are ideal for indoor use where air quality must be maintained. Internal combustion engine trucks, cushion tires, best used indoors on smooth surfaces. They offer high capacities and can handle heavy loads. Internal combustion engine trucks, pneumatic tires, suitable for outdoor use. These forklifts can navigate uneven surfaces and rough terrain. Reach trucks, designed for narrow aisles. Reach trucks allow operators to extend forks to reach loads. Order pickers. These are used to pick items from elevated heights and are common in warehouses. Telehandlers, equipped with a boom that extends forward and upward. They function similar to cranes and are used in construction and agriculture. Rough terrain forklifts, built for outdoor use on difficult terrains. They are equipped with large tires for better grip and stability. Additionally, forklifts are classified based on the type of power source, weight capacity, and intended application. The main classifications are as follows. Class 1. Electric motor rider trucks. Class 2. Electric motor narrow aisle trucks. Class 3. Electric motor hand or hand rider trucks. Class 4. Internal combustion engine trucks, solid cushion tires. Class 5. Internal combustion engine trucks, pneumatic tires. Class 6. Electric and internal combustion engine tractors. Class 7. Rough terrain forklift trucks. Safety procedures and protocols. Safety is paramount when operating forklifts. Proper safety procedures protect you, your colleagues, and the workplace environment. Here are some key safety protocols to follow. Pre-operational inspection. Perform a daily check of the forklift before use, including brakes, steering, controls, warning devices, mast, and tires. Load handling. Ensure the load is balanced and securely fastened. Do not surpass the forklift's load capacity. Operator positioning. Always wear a seat belt. Keep all body parts inside the vehicle and remain seated while operating the forklift. Path clearance. Keep the path clear of obstacles and ensure good visibility. Use spotters if necessary. Speed control. Adhere to speed limits, slow down at intersections or crowded areas, and avoid sudden stops. Environmental awareness. Be mindful of floor conditions, ventilation, and lighting in the working area. Parking protocol. When parking, lower the forks, neutralize controls, engage brakes, and turn off the forklift. Remember, adhering to these safety measures reduces the risk of accidents and improves overall operational efficiency. Basic forklift components and controls. Understanding the components and controls of a forklift enables efficient and safe operation. Below are the primary components. Mast, the vertical support that enables raising and lowering of loads. It consists of rails that guide the forks. Carriage, the support structure that holds the forks and any attachments attached to the mast. Forks, the L-shaped steel extensions that support the loads. Counterweight, material usually cast iron at the rear of the forklift that balances the load carried in front. Power source, depending on type, could be an internal combustion engine or battery-powered electric motor. Tires. Depending on the model, cushion or pneumatic tires suited for the intended environment. The key controls of a forklift include steering wheel. Similar to a car, the steering wheel controls the direction of the forklift. Lift lever raises and lowers the forks vertically. Tilt lever adjusts the angle of the forks towards or away from the operator. Pedals, similar to a car, pedals for acceleration, brakes, and possibly a clutch depending on the model. Hydraulic controllers manage additional features like fork spread, side shift, and other attachments. Operators should familiarize themselves with the location and function of each control to avoid errors during operation. In conclusion, mastering forklift operations involves understanding the various types and classifications of forklifts, adhering to strict safety procedures, and becoming familiar with the components and controls of the machine. Safety should always be a priority, and proper training is crucial for efficient and secure forklift use. As you continue your journey in learning about forklift operations, remember that practice and attention to detail are key to success. Stay up to date with best practices and safety regulations to ensure a safe and productive work environment. Here's a detailed summary of the fundamentals of forklift operations, safety procedures and protocols, and basic forklift components and controls. Fundamentals of forklift operations. 1. Pre-operational checks. Conduct thorough inspections of the forklift before use, including checks on tires, brakes, hydraulic systems, and safety features. 2. Safe operating practices. Operate the forklift safely, following guidelines for speed, load handling, and navigation. 3. Load handling and stacking. Handle and stack loads safely, considering factors like load weight, size, and balance. 4. Traveling and maneuvering. Travel and maneuver the forklift safely using horns, lights, and other safety features. Safety procedures and protocols. 1. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Wear required PPE such as hard hats, safety glasses, and steel-toed shoes. 2. Safety inspections and reporting. Conduct regular safety inspections and report any hazards or incidents. 3. Hazard identification and control. Identify potential hazards and implement controls to mitigate risks. 4. Emergency procedures. Establish and follow emergency procedures, including fire evacuation plans and first aid protocols. Basic forklift components and controls. 1. Forklift frame and mast. Understand the structure and function of the forklift frame and mast. 2. Hydraulic system. Familiarize yourself with the hydraulic system, including pumps, valves, and cylinders. 3. Control levers and pedals. Understand the function and operation of control levers and pedals, including those for lift, tilt, and travel. 4. Safety features. Identify and understand the operation of safety features such as horns, lights, and backup alarms. By mastering these fundamentals, safety procedures, and basic components, forklift operators can ensure safe and efficient operations. This is how we come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for participating in this lesson on forklift operations, safety procedures and protocols, and basic forklift components and controls. Safe and productive operations await you. See you again in the next lecture. Happy learning, folks!